Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ready to transform your PUBG Mobile gameplay on iPad? Six-Finger Claw unlocks a whole new level of control, giving you superior movement and lightning-fast aiming. In this full guide, we'll walk through the optimal setup for 2025, ensuring your iPad becomes a precision weapon. Mastering this advanced technique drastically boosts your combat effectiveness and reaction time, letting you outmaneuver opponents with ease. Get ready to dominate the battlefield. Before diving into controls, optimize your physical setup. Hold your iPad in a way that feels natural and keeps your wrists straight, preventing fatigue during extended play. A good grip minimizes hand strain and maintains consistent pressure for precise inputs. You might explore accessories like textured cases or finger sleeves for enhanced grip and reduced friction. Remember, comfort directly impacts your consistency and ability to execute complex movements flawlessly. Now, let's configure your in-game controls for peak performance. Drag your fire button to the top left corner and your scope button to the top right, ready for your left and right index fingers respectively. Your middle fingers will comfortably manage peeking and jumping. Keep your thumbs free for fluid movement, precise aiming, and quick access to grenades or healing. Experiment with button sizes and opacity until your layout feels intuitive and responsive for every action. To truly master Six-Finger Claw, consistent practice is key. Head to the training grounds and begin with basic movement drills, focusing on fluid strafing while keeping your aim steady. Practice pressing multiple buttons simultaneously, such as shooting while crouching or jumping. Dedicate time to improving your recoil control with various weapons, and engage in moving target practice to sharpen your tracking. Repetition builds muscle memory, transforming complex actions into second nature. Consistency is your greatest ally. As you progress, continuously fine-tune your sensitivity settings. Even small adjustments can significantly improve your accuracy. Pay close attention to your gyro settings for even more precise aiming. Watching professional players utilize their six-finger layouts can provide invaluable insights and inspire new strategies. Remember, mastering this technique takes time and patience. Stay positive, learn from every match, and embrace the journey. Your dedication will eventually lead you to consistently higher levels of play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.